Welcome to the candidate portal for the General Saudi Capital Market Rules and Regulations, CME 1B. Here you can track your overall progress, chapter completion, and mock exams done. The portal offers chapter summaries, a quick cheat sheet, flashcards, and a mock exam engine to master the syllabus. The summary section provides expert, distilled content to help you master the official syllabus. We're currently viewing the overview for Chapter 1, covering the introduction to the Capital Market Authority, its core objectives, and the scope of its authority. Within each chapter summary, you will find key examinable areas and common pitfalls to watch out for. This structured approach helps ensure you focus your study on the most relevant information and common mistakes. The summaries also include exam tricks, highlighting the most frequently tested concepts and scenarios. Additionally, there are sections for all numerical values and potential exam traps to reinforce critical details. You can easily navigate through all 8 chapters, covering topics from securities, business regulations, and authorization to anti-money laundering and systems and controls. The quick cheat sheet provides a searchable reference for definitions, rules, principles, prohibitions, key numbers, and exam traps, allowing for rapid lookups of essential memorization points. Flashcards are designed for active recall, the most effective way to memorize key rules and facts. You can track your progress as you master the concepts, improving your retention. Flashcards cover all core topics, such as the Capital Market Authority, securities business, and anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing regulations. The Mock Exam Hub offers 200 questions across 4 unique mocks with unlimited attempts. These exams are categorized into foundations, applied, advanced, and mixed, simulating various question styles you may face. Each mock exam details the number of questions and time limit. For example, Mock Exam 1, Foundations, is 50 questions in 60 minutes. A pass mark of 70% is required, and explanations are provided after submission. During the exam, you can track your progress and time remaining. Questions are presented in a multiple-choice format, requiring you to select the correct answer. After completing a mock exam, you receive detailed results and a correction review. This review highlights correct and incorrect answers, along with explanations for deep understanding and learning from mistakes. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available in beta to help you with the GSCMR course material. You can ask it questions about specific topics, exam tips, or practice questions to further assist your preparation.